guys, thank you so much for 20 subscribers. Me, Nico, and David are super excited about it. Well, it doesn't seem like much, but it's a lot of people. So, to commemorate 20 subscribers, I made a 20 subscriber play button. It's awesome, especially because it looks not like an actual play button, which makes it all the better. So, thank you guys for 20 subscribers. It's kind of cool that, it happened before the new year around that time. Sorry that I haven't said this earlier. We are now at, 23 subscribers at the time of this video. That's cool. I know it's weird that we're celebrating 20 subscribers, but it's really cool. So, again, thank you guys so much for 20 subscribers. All of this is thanks to you guys. So, like, subscribe. We do some cool stuff if you've never seen our videos before. But, yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Wait, let's look at the 20 subscriber play button for a second. Okay, so as you guys can see, there's 20 subs, hand-drawn, YouTube, play button, cardboard, wind, channel name, if you guys haven't looked. And then it's cut out in cardboard like that. It's still drying, but it looks pretty cool, especially because that doesn't go all the way down to the bottom. It only goes 1.5 layers in. So, you guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this video. And see you guys in the next video.